Good morning. I'm really glad you pressed play today. There it is on your calendar. Lunch with the team, a new hire mixer, a client meet and greet, or maybe just a whole day of having to be on. Your stomach tightens. You rehearse what to say before you even leave your room. You worry about saying too much or not enough. Let's stop here for a breath. In and out. There is nothing wrong with you. This discomfort you're feeling, this heaviness in your chest, this nervousness about eye contact, this mental loop of what ifs, it's all okay. You're not broken. You're not awkward. You're just someone who feels deeply, who thinks before speaking, who values connection enough to worry about it. Let's say this together. I can be fully myself, even if I'm quiet. I can show up as I am, and that is enough. You don't need to be the loudest voice at the table. You don't need to charm the room or carry the conversation. You can just be present, and that's plenty. Imagine for a moment, you walk into that room, take a breath, and instead of trying to impress, you just listen. You notice the tone of someone's voice, the way they laugh, the kindness in their eyes. You give yourself permission to just observe and respond when it feels natural. That counts as socializing too. You don't have to perform. If someone asks how you're doing, you can answer honestly. If you need a moment to breathe or step outside, that's okay too. You're allowed to set boundaries, even in small talk. Repeat this with me. I am allowed to take up space, even when I feel anxious. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to be me. Your worth isn't measured in witty replies or confident handshakes. It's in your authenticity, your calm, your empathy, the way you show up, even when it's hard. And if today feels heavy, that's okay too. You'll get through this moment and the next. And maybe, just maybe, one small smile or a soft connection will surprise you. You don't have to fake anything. Just breathe. Just show up as you are and trust that's enough. Remember, you don't need to solve everything in one conversation. Sometimes, just showing up is the victory. Taking up space, even silently, is a powerful act of self-respect. You don't need to fill every moment with words. There is power in the pauses, in the stillness, in the quiet moments of reflection. Think of the times when you've been with someone who was present without saying a word. How much did you appreciate that? That calm energy, that sense of safety. That's what you offer to the world, just by being yourself. You don't need to be constantly doing. You don't need to prove your worth. Your energy, your authenticity, your willingness to just show up, that's already enough. And so today, if you feel your anxiety rising, pause, breathe, come back to yourself. You are doing the more than enough. You don't have to entertain. You don't have to over-explain. You don't have to be interesting. You are enough as you are. It's okay if your mind wanders during conversations. It's okay to be the quiet observer. It's okay to retreat in your mind while still being physically present. Each moment of stillness, every breath, is a reminder that you're enough, that you are worthy of being here in this space just as you are. And remember that not every conversation needs to be profound. Not every encounter has to result in a deep connection. Sometimes it's simply enough to show up, to listen, to be gentle with yourself. In fact, many of the most meaningful moments come from being present in the smallest ways. A quiet smile shared across the room, a moment of eye contact that feels grounded, a pause between words that says everything without needing to say a thing. You're not required to fill every silence. You're not expected to entertain or perform. Your presence, your being here, right now, is more than enough. So if today feels like too much, remember that it's okay to take a break. It's okay to step away for a moment. Close your eyes and come back to your center. This moment, right now, is enough. You are enough. And today, you can show up as you are and trust that's exactly what the world needs. Thank you for spending a few quiet minutes with me today. You showed up today, and that's enough. This space is here whenever the world feels too loud, too fast, or just too much. Subscribe if you'd like a little more peace in your mornings. Take what you need, leave the rest. You've got this.